Hello everyone, thank you for watching or clicking this video. And today I got myself this MVpower 3D vibration plate exercise machine. Decided to get one for myself and try it out. So let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, this is the manual. The power cord comes with the remote, and it uses a AAA, battery. Alright, so this one is a stretchable band to attach with this machine. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the link down in the description below if you want to check it out. The voltage 110, rated time is 15 minutes. So this is the underneath overview. So it comes with the anti-skid or suction cup to prevent this machine from sliding or moving, and these are the one that you connect or place the the elastic bands. This one came with the remote, and it's easy to control the machine. So these are your power. This is your power, the play, the preset, high, low, and the timer. And you have a pause, manual mode, low, medium, and high. This is the control panel. So you have the display, the time, and the speed. And also this is your adjustment for the time, the speed, low and high, play and pause, power, and then the preset mode. You have 10 presets pre-program. So basically you just select which program you want, and then you just hit play or through the remote. So this one would last 15 minutes, and on the preset mode you have a different speed on a specific minutes. And to stop it, you just simply press play or stop. And if you want to go manual, then you just select manual, and then you just press play or play on the remote. And if you want to go to low, you can press low. It will change the speed, and then set it to mid and high, and then we can set it back to low. And want to pause, just hit pause. Okay, and then if you want to resume, just play, and to pause it, basically that's it. If you want to change the time, you can change it from the remote. Just left or right. And then for the speed of the motor, just high, the up and down. Alright guys, so just for a short demonstration, so I'm gonna use the manual mode. Okay, this is the low mode. And I'm gonna switch it to medium. Okay, and then switch it to high. Okay, medium. Low mode. Pause. And resume. Those are the three modes or speed mode for manual. And that's all about it on how to use this machine. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have questions, just leave me a comment down on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.